Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Friends, today I am going to show about this trending reel which you have seen in the preview. If you want to edit this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, first you need VN application to edit this trend. VN application easily find on Play Store. When you open this app, you will get interface like this. Guys, you need 13 photos and 3 video clips to make this video. To import the photo videos, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the 13 photos and 3 video clips from your phone library. Okay, now guys, you have to forward from here. Okay guys, you have to take photos and videos like this. Now guys, first delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. Then guys, we will add the music on here. Music video given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first you download the reel video from Telegram. After that, we will extract the music from that reel. So once you will download that reel, after that you will click on the plus icon on here and click the music option, okay, to extract the audio. Now guys, click on the plus icon and here you will get extract from video option. You have to click on this option and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. Okay, now guys, you have to click on the OK option. Then guys, click the choose option and have to done from here. Music will be added, you can see. Now guys, we will trim our photos according to music. So first I trim the photos, after that I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay, okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photos durations. First photo duration will keep 0.80 second and have to keep the same photo durations of next 4 photos which is 0.25 second. Okay, now guys, next photo duration is 1.20 second and other 3 next photos duration is 0.25 second again. Okay, now guys, you have to keep the duration of next photo which is 0.50 second and then 1.22 second. Okay, now guys, again you have to keep the duration of 0.25 second of other 3 photos. Okay, now guys, next photo duration is 0.50 second. Okay, and last photo duration is 2.68 second. Okay, so you have to keep the duration like this. Now guys, your video is ready to save. Now you can save this video. To save the video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Okay guys, now you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, if you like this video, Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos editing. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.